Are you looking for your next home southwest of the metro? Are you hoping to find a move-in ready 3-bedroom home with all the room you need plus room to grow? Well, look no further. I'm Julie Hefner from Lakes Area Realty. Come on in, let's take a look around 837 South Elm Street in Belle Plaine, and let's see if this might be your next home. As you enter, you will love how big this entry is and how much light floods through this gorgeous transom window. Let's head upstairs. Upstairs, you're going to love the soaring ceilings, the fresh new neutral paint, the size of your living room, and the abundant windows. To my left is the formal dining room. This galley-style kitchen has a brand new gas range and stainless steel appliances. This large space off the kitchen can be used for an informal dining room, a perfect place to sit and chat with the cook, do your homework, or sip your morning coffee. The hardwood floors lead you down the hallway to 3 nice-sized bedrooms. Each has brand new carpet and a brand new pad. The master has a beautiful ceiling fan, his and hers closets, and its own door to the large shared bath. Downstairs, you have a wide open canvas for whatever your lifestyle needs. Storage? Yep. Play area for the kids? You got it. Your home-based business? Family room? Game room? The possibilities are endless. This beautiful home on this quiet tree-lined street is move-in ready and waiting for you. I'm Julie Hefner with Lakes Area Realty. Call me at 715-410-9021 and let's schedule your tour today. Listen to me on WDGY every Thursday morning at 9:08.